Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to get into making the letter R out of some scrap MDF that I've got lying around the workshop. It was a job that I should have done a few weeks ago really, but I just don't have the time to do it. So yeah, let's get into it. Right, so first of all we're going to need to get a nice couple of pieces of MDF. The lady wants the letter doing around 12 inches. So what I did was I went onto Photoshop and I made the letter R 12 inches. Check that out. So what my plan is to glue that sheet down there and literally just cut round with a jig all the way around here. Let me find my glue. Now what you could do is you could cut the letter out and stick it down, or you could just stick it down like this and cut round later. This is going to be a wall hung letter, hence the reason why I've got 12mm MDF. If it was going to be freestanding, then I'd probably glue a couple of these boards together, maybe 3 of these boards, make it a bit thicker at the base. So all this is just a contact adhesive. I think it'd be best if I get a little bit of cardboard for now. Check. Right. Stick it down. Right, we'll leave that to dry for a few minutes, then we'll get into cutting. there you go, all finished, and it looks great on the wall. And as you can see, it's pretty simple to make, even with some basic tools, just a jigsaw and a little bit of glue. So if you're new around here, don't forget to like the video if you liked it. Please consider subscribing to the channel. There'll be more videos every week. And yeah, hope you have a great week. I'll see you in the next one.